Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to my channel. So, if you read from the title, we have the TRENDMOOD box. This is the TRENDMOOD box / times elf. I don't know how you say it, but this whole box has elf cosmetics. This was only $25 a month. So if you want to see what's inside, was it worth my $25? And my thoughts of the TRENDMOOD boxes and why you don't really see them on my channel too much. And so that's something that you want to see, then just keep on watching. All right, so let me tell you a little bit about this box if you don't know. So I think the very first and second box. I want to say maybe 1 or 2 boxes. I think maybe just the first box, I think. And then after that, my God, were they so hard to get. It was like every time you got it, it would sell out. Even if you would put your email in there to like get early access, within like a minute. There have been times that I would do it right away, get in there, and as I was putting in my information and I hit pay, it was sold out. And it pissed me off so bad that I haven't tried again. So, a couple of you guys were like, hey, Ann, did you know that the e.l.f. one was still available? I didn't even know they had an e.l.f. one because I don't even look at our page anymore for these boxes because, like I said, they're always sold out and it's very frustrating. So I was like, really? So when I went to go look, it was still available after a whole day. And when I only seen it was $25, I was like, hell yeah. Plus, I love e.l.f. cosmetics. So I think you get like 4 or 5 items in here. e.l.f., if you don't know, is kind of like drugstore. It's very affordable prices, but I love e.l.f. cosmetics. So that's why you don't see it too much on my channel. A lot of you guys ask me to unbox it, but like I said, they sell out so quick. All right, so that's what it looks like. And then when you open it up, I just literally cut the tape. Let me show you. I'm left-handed, so I got to do it on this side. It's easier for me to hold up on my left hand. All right. So right here, she doesn't give cards. So you would take your phone and you would scan it to get like a card to save on paper, which I do like. So it has a little sticker here. All right. So then it looks like this. It's packaged very, very nice. All right. So you get 4 items. It's a little sneak peek, not too much. I need to clean this table off because your girl's running out of room here. All right, so this says new Holy Hydration Skincare. Oh, so it does have prices on here. So maybe when you scan it, it gives you more information. Okay, you can get 20% off your skincare with orders $30 or more using the code e.l.f. Skincare. And it's from 10:30 to 12:31. All righty. Oh, no, I'm sorry. You got 5 things in here. Okay. So the first thing we have is Keep Your Balance Toner, and I love toner. Every time I wash my face, then I'll go in with like a cotton pad and go, you know, and then like make sure I get all the residue off and stuff. So I'm always using toner. I've never tried e.l.f.'s toner, so I'm really glad to try that. And it's only $8. So if I like it, you know, it's affordable. All right, so the next thing is the Holy Hydration. So this must be the new item. This is a daily cleanser. So I would go in first, cleanse my face, and then use the toner. And this bad boy is $6. That's not bad either. These are decent size. All right. Then we have the Holy Hydration Face Cream. So that's pretty good. You're never too young to start with skincare. I wish I would have started when I was younger. You know when it's really taped up. I was 38 years old and I was diagnosed with early stage 2 of melanoma skin cancer. And that's when I started really then using skin products, like skincare. I was 38 years old. I wish I would have started a lot younger. So my daughter, who's 20, I have her using skincare. All right, let's see. Okay, so it's filled to the top, which I definitely like. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me turn you down some. Yeah, so it's filled to the top. All right, let's... Oh, and it's nice and thick. I like it thick. Definitely like it thick. But I do, especially for nighttime. Let's see. And it doesn't really have a scent, which I like. I rather not having scents. I don't know why some companies put like fragrances in skincare. All right, so that's pretty good. I really like this. And how much was this? What did I even say? $12. That's not bad either. All right, so the next thing we have is from the Holy Hydration line. Again, this is the cleansing balm. And I love using this to help take my makeup off. And this is $10. That's not bad. This is saying it's new. All right, so you have a little scooper, which is nice. All right, and that's what it looks like right there. And it's definitely filled to the top as well. And you just take a little scooper and you go in, and what I usually do is it helps melt my makeup off, so it's easier to take off. Or you can also use this as kind of like a gel lotion, kind of like, you know, you don't have to use it just to take your makeup off. All right, so let's see what it says. This is directions. Scoop out a dime-sized amount of product with the included spatula and massage onto dry skin. Moisten fingertips and continue to massage the skin using circular motions and watch your makeup melt away. Rinse with water or remove with a warm, damp cleansing cloth. Double cleanse, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so there we go. And last but not least is these booster drops. Right there. And this puppy is $10. All right, let's see. Let's read the directions and see what this is. All right, so that's what it looks like. And let's see what it says. Directions. These concentrated drops can be used. I can't read what it says. Holy cow. Let me get my, this. Let's see. Okay, so what it's saying is this can be used alone, or you can drop it in with any like foundation, creams, anything like that to help hydrate. So if you have really dry skin, or you could just use it alone. So let me see what it feels like. Yeah, it doesn't have a scent, which I like. So me, what I would probably do, I have combination skin. So in the winter time, my skin gets more dry. So I would probably use this alone first and put it on my skin instead of mixing it with in your foundation or anything like that. But I'm definitely going to try this. So let's recap everything that we got in the TRENDMOOD box for $25. So we have these boosting drops. I've never tried anything like this before, so I'm really excited to try it. We have that, and I think the most expensive thing on here was $12, and that was the face cream. So we have the drops. We have the cleansing balm, which I'm really excited. I think this is my favorite thing. So then we have the face cream. We have the cleanser, and then we have the toner. So everything you need to wash your face and, you know, moisten your face. Yeah, I really liked it. I'm really surprised why it didn't sell out. Let me know down below why you think it didn't sell out right away. Do you think it's because it featured more skincare instead of makeup? Are you guys more into makeup than skincare? Let me know down below. Or do you think it's because it was more like an affordable brand instead of like the higher end brands? Let me know down below. Yeah, so that is everything that I received. Like I said, let me know what your thoughts are. I repeated myself like 100 times. All right, guys, that's everything. Please give this video a like. Like this video if you want to see me get these boxes more often. Let me know, and I'll definitely give it another try. Maybe it's a lot better than when she first started. I don't know. If you like unboxings, mystery boxes, subscription boxes, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love for you to join our family. And don't forget to turn the post notification bell on. Make sure that you double tap it and it's on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos and my upcoming giveaways, because you never know when I'm going to have a pop-up giveaway in there. Alright guys, that's everything. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. My God, and how many times you're going to repeat yourself? Jesus, I annoy myself sometimes.